Hello, 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 scholars. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, scholars. It is a wonderful Wednesday, May 27th, 2020. We are going to be focusing on lesson 20 today. So if you do not have your packet, pause the video, go get your packet, and make sure your date at the top matches my date. Welcome to first grade virtual ELA, scholars. I hope that you're ready to grow your brain. A few reminders, scholars. We will have a video chat this Friday at 3 o'clock with Ms. Jackson. Our last day of school is next Tuesday, June 2nd. And on the last day of school, Ms. Cherkis, Ms. Jackson, and Mrs. Kuma will be in a grade level video chat that Tuesday at 2 o'clock. I hope to see you all there. We're going to be announcing some awards, some certificates, and just reminiscing over the first grade year when we were there. Hope to see you there. Objective, objective. I will read shark and we fish aloud with accuracy and appropriate rate along with expression. All right, scholars, I hope you're ready to get to it. If you don't have your packet with you, please go and get your packet. You need it, you need it, you need it, you need it. Please also make sure that you're in a quiet environment so that you can focus on what you're going to be doing at this time, okay? All right, scholars, I hope you're ready to get to it. So, what you are going to do, scholars, Ms. Jackson is going to give you 5 minutes. I'm going to give you 5 minutes, and all you're going to have to do is read this story out loud. Ms. Jackson is going to hold the timer. I have a timer here. I'm going to hold it up to the camera here, and I'm going to count up. It's going to go from 0 seconds all the way to 5 minutes. I'm just going to hold it up there. I'm going to be quiet. You're going to read. Now, if you look at my camera, when you are done reading, it will have a time. It will have however many minutes, however many seconds. It is not a race, okay? You're just going to read like a normal future second grade scholar, okay? Whenever you are done reading, I want you to write the number that is on my timer, whether it's minutes and seconds, okay? If you prefer to have your parents do this with you, then ask them if they can time you. What I'm trying to see is how much you can read within 5 minutes, okay? So let me know when you're ready. I have my timer ready, set, go. All right, scholars, 5 minutes is up. If you were able to finish within 5 minutes, I want you to write down that time where you finished within 5 minutes. If you did not finish, it's okay. Write a line, draw a line after the last word that you read. For example, if I were reading and the last word that I said was here, we fish, I will draw one line down here like this and put it right here. And I know that I can read about 275 words within 5 minutes, okay? If you are able to read the entire passage all the way up until this word here, reef, if you were able to read all the way up to reef, sorry, scholars, then that means you've read 341 words within 5 minutes. And that's the expectation for when you go to second grade. If you did not meet that expectation, then I challenge you to try to read this. Try to get whoever in the household to continue to challenge you and push you and help you practice reading these 2 pages within 5 minutes, okay? The more that you do it, the easier that it'll become, and the more confident you'll be when it's time for you to read, okay? And if you didn't read it within 5 minutes, it's perfectly fine. Nobody's perfect. Some scholars read faster than others. Some scholars are able to get words quicker than others, and that's perfectly fine. Please, the more that you read, the more that you practice, the easier it'll become, okay? All right, scholars, today is a Get Epic Day. I want to know if we can get another badge. So make sure you do at least 30 minutes of Get Epic. Our code is MDA7964. Please make sure you can find your name. If you can't find your name, please let Ms. Jackson know so that I can add you if you've been logged out or deleted or for some reason, whatever the case may be. But that's it, scholars. I will see you tomorrow. I hope you have a great day. Please make sure you do your best with Get Epic. Read is something that has to do with Memorial Day. See if you can find a book about Memorial Day, okay? Bye, scholars.